This video will show you how to use filters when grading in Crowdmark. First, click up into the filter drawer here. This will open the sidebar that shows all of the available filters. You'll see status filter. This allows you to filter by graded or ungraded, as well as single or multiple evaluations. If you're filtering for multiple evaluations, you can filter for discrepancies between those evaluations of an amount of points. Question filter allows you to select a question to filter on as well as a sub-question. You may choose more than one. For example, if you have question 1A, B, C, you could select all of them, or question 1 and question 2, etc. The section filter allows you to select a section of students to grade. Graders will still see no student information. The filter will simply filter for that section without any information being displayed. If you'd like to filter for strip grading across a question, you can use the section filter, then the status filter, ungraded, and then a question filter. Filtering by a range of booklets allows you to select a range of booklets to grade. This will take you through questions, so it will automatically go from question 1 to question 2 in a student's booklet, unless you use the question filter as well. You can filter by score. This is great for oversight or for review. You can filter by team member as well. And then tag filters allow tags to be applied to individual booklets and then filtered upon. This can happen before grading, after grading, during grading. Tags can be used to create filters for any kind of custom criteria that is required.